adjusting launch force for each aircraft type. Alongside IMLS is AAG, Advanced Arresting Gear, an electromagnetic arresting system replacing traditional hydraulics. The old system was stable but inflexible, struggling with widely varying aircraft weights. AAG adjusts braking force by scenario, preventing light UAVs from abrupt stops, while safely handling heavy fighters. During tests, AAG also faced reliability problems, but on Kennedy, further optimizations aim to enhance durability and smarter electronic controls. If successful, the combination of IMLS plus AAG will mark a comprehensive leap: safer launches and recoveries, more efficient operations, less wear and tear. This is the core change that enables Kennedy to sustain high operational tempo, ready for multiple types of aircraft.
A notable improvement on USS